Hello. And welcome to our channel. Please do like and share our video. I don't know a single person who doesn't want to have thick, silky, shiny, beautiful hair. There are a number of things that affect the condition of our crowning glory. Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. Fortunately, there is a hair tonic you can easily make at home that doesn't cost a lot of money. This tonic can strengthen your hair, reverse the damage, and restore it to its former thick, shiny, healthy glory. Here are the ingredients. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Instructions. Combine all of the listed ingredients in a bowl and stir them well. You may need to double or triple the recipe depending on the length of your hair. Apply first to the scalp and hair roots, then apply the remaining mixture to the rest of your hair. Put a shower cap on to cover all of your hair and leave to work its magic for 30 to 40 minutes. Then, wash your hair as usual using a moisturizing hair shampoo. You must use a moisturizing hair shampoo after applying this hair mask. Use once or twice a week and in about 2 months you will be amazed at how gorgeous your hair are. Why this tonic works so well. 1 egg. Egg yolk contains protein, fatty acids, and vitamins that will strengthen your hair. The vitamin A in egg yolk helps to moisturize and promote hair growth. And the lecithin in egg yolk helps protect the hair from brittleness and breakage. 3 castor oil. Castor oil is a vegetable oil that contains the amino acid, ricin oleic. This amino acid has the ability to penetrate deeply into the hair scalp and follicles. This enables all of those beautiful nutrients to really get deeply into the hair and scalp to work their miracles. Castor oil also helps to regulate the pH level of the scalp, eliminates dandruff, and protects the hair from those damaging environmental factors. 2 honey. Honey is full of antioxidants that softens, smooths, and gives your scalp and hair follicles a boost. Healthy, beautiful hair starts with a healthy scalp. So, honey not only makes your hair look healthy, it makes your hair grow faster. The sugar in honey also moisturizes and helps prevent hair loss.
So, try this simple remedy and let us know how it works for you in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.